mean, it's headed this way, and I'm a bit scared.
Fuck, he's close.
No, I mean, he's a little too close for comfort.
Well, he's not going to come this close.
How do you know?
Because we're like 20 feet from the shore.
Oh, okay, so he wouldn't come in that close?
He'll probably just turn. I'm filming it.
Worst position to be sitting in. My back.
Holy moly.
Oh my God.
Who said he took a little?
He's like 10 feet from shore.
Holy shit. Holy crap.
Okay, you scared now? Because I am.
Yeah.
Honey, you could die this way.
No, go swimming. We just have to stay in the boat. Holy
Right
moly.
underneath us. He might eat it. That was just bizarre.
There he is. Wow. What a freaky thing. He likes this point right here.
Did you take that when you got him that close?
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to get the tail, so
He's not yet.
I'm not taking pictures.
Yeah, he's.
Just waiting.
I'm doing this as a long, boring film, but we've got some
We gotta figure out how to cut it, how to edit it.
Here he goes. Here he
I got it.
goes. Oh shit.